Alam niyo ba na yung mangga sa SNR, sobrang sarap. Dito na kami lagi bumibili ng mangga. Ayan sila. As in, para kang kumakain ng mangga sa kanto. The tray on the table, so you don't step on it. Thank you. Ito yung gusto ko sa mangga. It's more of hilaw pa din, pero medyo yellowish na siya. Tapos malambot-lambot na yung texture. Madali na siyang kagatin.
Rachel,
Hop.
this thing, all the phrase. I'm gonna show you who did this.
Are you done? Are you okay?
Okay.
What's up?
Thank you.
You like it? You like this?
On this of stars, and it please collect all the nails, like all the nails
Okay.
on this pretend baby tree.